Hello ladies and gentlemen, Sami here. Long time no see, I'm back. And not dead yet, as some of you guys commented on my channel. And today I bring you the review of eFocus Plus versus GoPro Hero 7 Black. Probably the best two action cameras on the market. First of all, I'd like to thank Eva from iPhone Tech for sending me the Hero 7. She's fabulous. Please make sure to check her channel and her Weibo out. I put all the links in the description. By the way, the last 4 months I've been authorized to translate her videos into English. That's why I've been a little bit lazy. Nevertheless, let's just jump into the view. Here in the video, I include these parts: industrial design comparison, user interaction comparison, video comparison both in broad daylight and night, mic, battery, and other things comparison, and my conclusion. Since the GoPro Hero 5, GoPro hasn't changed much on its design. Actually, it's a good thing, because there are many old accessories you can use with it in case you want to upgrade to a new GoPro. And to be honest, I just love the design. It feels so rugged, beautiful, and premium. Well, for eFocus Plus, well, though as minimalistic design as it has advertised, it feels a bit cheap. The lens is without any protection, making it easier to be scratched when you place it with other things, especially when bumping around in your pocket with keys. And believe me, once your lens gets scratched, basically you cannot use it at all. I just really wish it could come with a simple lens cover. That would help a lot. Move to the back. GoPro has a much thicker frame than on eFocus Plus, which makes it more durable when it's accidentally dropped. The E-screen can be shattered easily. Be careful about that. Never drop it. I have experienced that pain. There's one thing I do want to complain about the GoPro is it doesn't come with the standard 1/4 inch thread. I mean, come on, how hard it would be. E has been doing that since the first generation. As for the industrial design, in my opinion, GoPro wins the E for its durable, premium, and high-tech feeling look. What do you guys think about it? So let me know. Good design doesn't guarantee a good user interaction. In my opinion, the E still has the best user interaction experience on the market today. When you touch the screen, it gives you a smooth, fast responsive feel, just like on a smartphone. You basically can complete all the tasks on the screen. Feels just superb. Well, for the GoPro, it feels just less responsive and sometimes clumsy. You have to press the physical key if you want to go back. I mean, if you have ever used touch control on the eFocus Plus, you will know how good it is. But beyond that, I really want to praise GoPro for its quick capture feature. Just press once on the top, there you go, it's recording. Long press, go to the burst mode. But for E, it's less convenient. You have to long press to power on and then wait for a few seconds, because if you press immediately, it will say SD card is busy. I mean, sometimes seconds count. I've run into some situations like my daughter's smile. It just appears and disappears very shortly. But overall, I would say the E wins in this round for its intuitive touch control gesture, and I would always say the E has the best touch screen in the action camera market ever. I literally don't compare the so-called video resolution, image quality for a long time. I mean, you have to tune the color when editing anyway. What amazes me most is the stabilization of the GoPro Hero 7 Black. As the advertised, shaky video is dead. It's just incredibly stable, even in 4K 60 FPS. I don't even need to see that on the computer. Also, add some footage like time warp those. Please check it out. 啊，现在我们拍4K60的那个 GoPro 是防抖的。你知道一个问题吗？就是我拍了很多，结果就忘记拍2个4K60的对比了，所以今天来拍。哎，你把那个按下来拍一下我。不用拍到我鞋子，就拍我上半部分就好了。
拍了，分开。
好吧，咱们出去吧。When speaking to Mike, I gotta say the GoPro just outperforms the E by a long shot. Check the results. Now I'm testing the audio quality of the E40 Plus and the GoPro Hero 7 Black. So I'm not sure if you guys hear the difference. Now I'm testing the audio quality of the E40 Plus and the GoPro Hero 7 Black. So I'm not sure if you guys hear the difference. Battery? GoPro has done nothing in the past years to improve its battery and its heat control. In this respect, the E is perfect. I have used them for the same time for testing. While the GoPro drained below 50%, E stays almost the same. Also, it has a much better heat control. Thumbs up for that. For other things I have to mention the screen. Action cameras are mostly for outdoor activities, but the E40 Plus looks really dim. Basically, you cannot operate it in direct sunlight. But the GoPro is much better. Also, I noticed the viewing experience is much better on GoPro. It looks bright, sharp, and has high dynamic range. I know it's a bit unfair to compare the GoPro's newest model to last year's E40 Plus, but to be honest, the GoPro Hero 7 Black hasn't upgraded that much. I have to admit, the GoPro has improved a lot, whether regarding the stabilization or the user experience, especially the quick capture, and also some features like whenever you want to view footage playback, just swipe and you can view. Also in recording, just press once. While for the E, you have to take things a step further. I know it's not a big hassle, but these details always give you a really good feeling. Last thing I always hate to bring up is the price. The GoPro Hero 7 Black is almost $200 than the E40 Plus, and I don't think it's worth that at all. I know GoPro has awesome smooth 4K 60fps video, a much better mic, and an awesome design, but overall I don't think it's worth that much money when regarding the video quality and the overall user experience. But you know, as some fans said, I buy GoPro because it is GoPro. You know, maybe that's true. And I put all the purchase links to the E40 Plus in the description and the accessories to the GoPro. You can check all that out. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. Let me know and we'll get it resolved. And thanks for watching. Peace. 是逆光条件下2.7K 60帧每秒。 试一个。